Can you really make money by creating videos on YouTube? And does this only apply to the big creators with tens of thousands of subscribers? My name's John Davis and I create videos that show how to make money online by simplifying the tech and strategies that anyone can follow. In this video, I'm going to show you how YouTube is the perfect platform to start earning money. And yes, we all have to start somewhere, so I'm going to show you how to make your first $100. Once you've achieved this, then $500, $1,000, $5,000 will seem much more possible. Now, if you get anything from this video, then please hit the like button or leave me a comment, as it really helps my channel grow and it doesn't cost you a penny. So the biggest problem that you have as a YouTuber is that the most direct way to make money is by running ads on your channel. Well, you probably know this by now, but you can't until your channel has grown to a certain size. Your videos need to be watched for over 4,000 hours in a 12-month period, and you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Now, there's no way of sugarcoating this, but that is not easy, unless you've got an excellent niche with big demand and little competition. It's took me over a year to achieve this in a very competitive subject. Was it worth it? You're damn right it was, as now I get paid monthly for my content, which is allowing me to reinvest into my business. But if you aren't close to that milestone, then it's not all doom and gloom. There's still ways to earn money, and this is what you need to do. Step one is about the strategy. In this case, we're going to use affiliate marketing. Don't overcomplicate this. In its simplest form, it's a process where we recommend products and services, and if someone buys through our special link, then we're going to get a commission. It's very simple, and I'm not going to go into the advanced strategies on this video. If you want to know the most effective way of making money with affiliate marketing, then I'm going to link some free training and some other relevant videos in the description. But watch the end of this video first. Step two is about the content. Now, your YouTube channel will live or die by your ability to create content. It doesn't have to be the best that's ever been seen. I'm living proof for that. But it's important that you create videos that help or entertain people, that solve problems and people want to watch. Your quality will improve the more that you create. Now, unless you're brand new and still deciding on a channel, then you've probably got an idea of what you wish to create content about. It could be lifestyle, tutorials, sports, fitness, gaming, health related, making money, or even the old favourite, a channel about building YouTube channels. Let's face it, whatever your subject is, there's a place for you on YouTube. So if you know what you're creating, then you should have an idea of who you're creating for. For example, if you're creating a channel that talks about woodwork and carpentry, and maybe you've got some videos showing how you've built a shed or an outside barbecue area, or a handcrafted giraffe, which is a Christmas present for your Auntie Jeannie, then you can safely say that your viewers will also be interested in woodwork and crafting and building things and so on. I know this seems really obvious, but it does matter, so bear with me and I'm going to show you why. Step three is about the product. Now, content is flowing and you're building traffic. We now want to promote a product that can help that audience. So what I want you to do first is just drop into the comments and tell me what niche or subject your channel is about. That'll help me create future videos that can help you. Now, there are all kinds of affiliate programs that you can join. I've actually got a video with 12 of the best ones that I'll link in the description, but here are some pointers that are going to get you started. Now, some products that we promote are low ticket, which means they're going to pay you a small commission and the value can be low. For example, you could promote items through the Amazon affiliate program and they're going to give you a measly 1 to 5%. But the good thing is that Amazon converts really well and it's easy to apply for their affiliate program. And they also have products suitable for almost any niche. The bad part is it'll take us a while to make that $100 because the commission rates are so poor. Now, some products are mid-ticket items, such as blog hosting, who generally pay $50 to $100 if you refer anyone. And there's also a digital marketplace for affiliates called ClickBank, which has got tons of different products that you can promote. Some of them are utter rubbish and some are good. But there are options in there for pets, parenting, language, software, even woodwork products, perfect for the channel we just discussed. Some products are recurring revenue. Now, this means that they pay you each month that someone is subscribed. Software is a great example of this. I created some videos a while ago about ClickFunnels, which is a web page builder. A few people clicked on the links in my videos and they signed up to it. I now get almost $40 a month from each of them until they close their account. Some products are high ticket. This is the winner chicken dinner category of affiliate marketing. Again, software and training courses are great examples of this, as often they understand the need for an army of affiliates to go and spread the word about their product. My best advice would be that if you promote anything that's high ticket, then make sure it's something that you're happy buying yourself and don't promote any old crap. In fact, I personally think that you should always buy whatever you're promoting. Again, see the description for some free training on high ticket affiliate marketing. If you're still stuck for choosing an affiliate product, then to find the best products and services in your niche, just search on Google for their affiliate program. Or look at the influencers in your niche. What are they promoting? And maybe you could promote that too. Step 4 is the referral process. We've got our content, we've got a product. All you need to do now is refer people to that product. Now, this is about making that first $100, so let's keep it really, really simple. In your description of your video, make sure that you've got a link in there and tell them why they should click on it. For example,
if you want to save money, learn new skills and have fun by building your own shed, then click here. Or, if you want to teach your kids how to read fast and be ahead of the class, then click here. Or, if you want to learn how to make $10,000 a month, then click here.
But I think you get the idea. You can also add call to actions into your YouTube scripts, which you probably see other YouTubers doing. And in some cases, they also put on-screen prompts. So one issue that you may have is that the web link and URL that the affiliate program gives you is long and ugly. If so, go to a site like Bitly and create a shorter version of that link. It looks more friendly and more professional. Now it's a numbers game. If your content aligns with your product and answers a problem that your audience has, then that first $100 should come in no time. But long term, you want to add some more advanced steps in too, such as a landing page and collecting email addresses, so that you can build relationships with your audience. But that's all covered in another video, which is on screen now. See you next time. Thanks for watching.